Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset Windows 10. So first, click on the gear icon from the bottom left corner to open your settings. Then go to Update and Security. Now select Recovery from the left-hand side of the screen, which is between Troubleshoot and Activation. Now under Reset this PC, select Get Started and give Administrative Privileges. Here, select Keep My Files or remove everything according to your preference. Now select Cloud Download or Local Reinstall. Finally, click on Reset, and your system will restart and begin the reset process automatically. This may take some time, and your PC might restart several times. And when it's finished, Windows 10 will be completely reset to factory settings. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.